Tank9 Code checking in. Tank9 Code checking in. We're here with tank number 2, and we're going to be going over what he knows about the computer. Say hi, tank number 2. You are tank number 2. What is your name? Say Aiden.
Aiden.
Correct. But your code name is tank number, say 2.
2.
Correct. Let me ask you some questions about computers. Do you know what this is? What is this? What is this thing right here? What is this?
Numbers.
No, what is this device called? What is all of this whole device called? What is it called? It's a keyboard. Say keyboard.
Keyboard.
It's a computer keyboard. You use a computer keyboard to connect to the computer so you can send it commands, right? So when you type in the commands or the keys or the codes or on the buttons on the keyboard, it's going to send signals to the computer so it can work. So you use the keyboard to talk to your computer. And what is this called?
Computer.
Correct. Say computer.
Computer.
Correct. It's a laptop, to be precise and accurate. Right. So this is what tank number 1 uses every day when he's working. So you want to know where tank number 1 at? This is where he's at, right where you're sitting, working on the what? Computer.
Computer 1.
Correct. What is this car right here? What is the name of this? Mouse.
Mouse.
This is a mouse. And also with this device, you send signals to the computer, right? So using your mouse, which goes in a circular motion, you can it has 2 buttons, and this particular one has multiple buttons. Click on the mouse button. Let me see you click on it. Click on the mouse button. Use this finger right here, this big finger, your pointer finger. You hold it, and you use it to move around on the. And it moves the. When you move the mouse around, it's going to move the cursor on your computer, right? So you're able to send signals from both the mouse and the keyboard to the computer. This is how computers work. You understand?
Yes.
Big boy. Next we have, you know what this is? What is this right here? This screen right here.
A tablet.
Right. No, that's correct. It is an iPad tablet, but it also can be used for a monitor, right? So use a monitor to look at what you're doing while you're working on the computer, right? So you can have this open and this open to have dual monitors so you can work simultaneously on the computer, and it makes your work a lot faster. What is this right here? Headphones.
Headphones.
So you put the headphones on your ear. Put them on your ear. Let me see you put them on your ear. All right, those are your headphones. So those are what tank number 1 wear every day when he's talking to his customers and his clients. You're going to help out with, right? And next thing we have, so let me show you how all this powers, correct? Right, because this is a computer. So you can do all your work on this device. This is a very unique computer, as in it is on a gold dashboard. The computer itself, the motherboard or the board that it's on is green, right? It is green and it was gold. It has electrical components on it that's very fast, very precise and elegant, I would say fine processors. Very little bitty computers that make this whole thing work. So when you work on a computer, this is one of man's most greatest inventions is the computer, right? People write a lot of code, write a lot of applications. Something that's writing since the 60s, they still use today. It was made by the computer, right? So when you're talking about some of the most advanced people on the world, some of the most highly technical and able to do things in their head, right? Because using this and the mouse, you got to send it signals to the computer. So a lot of things you got to do in your head. Right, so this is a very advanced skill, but you're very challenged at it. You're going to do well because tank number 1 has your genetics. You got tank 2, but you got tank number 1 genetics, so you're going to be very, very fast because you got a big old tank head. Okay, yep. So we're going to continue on, and we're going to go outside. I'm going to show you how we powered this thing up. So this is the.
A light.
No, right. This is what they call a generator. It's a generator, and this is what you use to cut the computer on. So the generator, so the laptop, it requires power, right? It needs electricity. So this is what they call a portable battery. It is a portable battery, and you charge it up, and when you connect the computer to this portable battery, say portable battery.
Portable battery.
And you know how the portable battery, how it charges? Let's go outside. I'm going to show you. Come on, let's go outside. I'm going to show you how we charge the portable battery. Because you need electricity to power your devices, tank number 2. So let's come on out. I like those boots. Just say it to the dog. Go speak to the dog. Let me see you. Hey, pet the dog. There's Zeke Zeke. Say hey, Zeke Zeke.
Hey, Ziggy.
Yep. There's big Zeke Zeke. You gotta have a dog out here protecting you, right? Because we out here at the office, the portable office right now, and Zeke got his eyes on everything, seeing what's going on. So next, I'm gonna show you. This is right. Come look at this right here. This is the Predator. This is the generator we use. You cut on to power the portable batteries. So once I cut the Predator on, it powers the portable batteries. You understand? So what is this called? What is this? It's a generator. So I use $2 a day to charge this generator up, and it powers the portable batteries that's inside. So let's go back inside. I like those boots. They light up. Do it again. Let me see. Big boy. There's Zeke. So come on back in. So let me show you what we was working on. Hop back into the office, to the spaceship. Zeke. Yep. So the generator powers the portable battery. So I live off $2-3 per day. Tank number 1 lives off $2 a day. So for $2 a day, I can get a whole lot of work done on my laptop for just $2. I get $2 worth of gas in the generator, and it powers my portable battery so I can work on my laptop. So did you get what we got in class today? So you're gonna think about being a software engineer like tank number 1?
Yes.
So you want to say, I want to be a software engineer. Say, I want to be a software engineer.
I want to be a software engineer.
Correct. Just like tank number 1. And we're going to do build apps. We're going to travel, and we're going to apply pressure across the world. Okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you in the next video.
See you next video.
Yep.